everyone, so tomorrow we're going on a day trip. It's about 2 hours away, but we're going to be gone for lunch and dinner. We're going to eat breakfast at home before we head out early tomorrow morning. But I thought I would show you how we are prepping food to take with us, because we're trying to cut back on food costs and eating out so we can save money for future vacations. So this is going to be a video on basically food prep, or what most people consider like picnic lunch. So first thing that I'm going to do is, for now I have these, I haven't cut these out yet. I'm gonna be slicing these up and then putting them into Ziplocs. I'm gonna be labeling Sarah's Ziploc because her cheese is separate and it is also lactose free. And then this cheese is for us, the extra sharp Newark, extra sharp white cheddar, and then the medium cheddar. And then we're gonna slice these up, and then I'll of course start with hers and then do ours. For just her, I'm gonna do half a block. Now I don't really foresee her eating all of that, but I'd rather go ahead and take it than her be hungry and not have enough food. So this is a container of blueberries that we had bought, and sometimes instead of actual fresh fruit, we will usually take dried fruit, but fresh fruit was on sale, and whenever it's in season I prefer to get it. And then of course our favorite, the Go-Go Squeezes. This one is the Grateful Grape, which has apple, sweet potato, and grape in it, and the girls seem to like it. And of the ones that I have tried, I also really like the Grateful Grape one. And then again, like I said, the Ziplocs are for dividing up the cheeses. It's also for dividing up this summer sausage to go with this. And then Madeline is, I will eat the summer sausage and it's really good with cheese, but I'm also like, when it's hot, I am very much like Madeline, and so sometimes I prefer to just eat the dry roasted peanuts. Sometimes I will divide these up if we're getting separated at events. I'm pretty sure we'll be together all day, so I'm going to keep them all in that container. I'm going to keep the crackers as is, unless it won't fit in the cooler bag any other way. And then for now, the only drinks I'm planning on taking are the Body Armors for me, the Powerades for Matt and the girls, and of course if the girls need to, I can bring this for them as well. There's also a 3-gallon container of water, and then for fun drinks for the kids, they have ginger ale, which also helps with like if they start getting upset stomachs while we're gone. And then for Matt and I have this lemonade. So this is what I have so far, and I will show you whenever I get everything chopped up and ready to pack into the cooler. Here is just the cheese cut up so far. Sarah's is out separate, but yeah. And then this is our New York. And then I did swap this out for our marbled Colby instead of the mild cheddar. Now, clean cutting board, clean knife, and now we can do the meat cut up. So here is our Coleman cooler bag. It is a dual zipper with the, what the kids call the snack pocket. You can just unvelcro it. Unvelcro is easier when the bag's zipped to get something out quickly. So here is the cold side. Here's the blueberries, and this isn't exactly as I'm going to have it in the morning. This is just to make sure everything fit for now, and I didn't need any of the cooler. All 4 packs of crackers did fit, and then the 3 bags of cheese, the meat, the Go-Go Squeezes, and the peanuts all fit on this side. And there is a hard, large ice pack in the bottom. And then this side holds 3 of my small drinks, Matt's big drinks, and then another ice pack in there. And then the rest of these we'll take separate, and we'll probably drink these first and then keep the cold ones for freshening up. Or we may take out the cool and then put the hot ones in and try to freshen it up. But that is it for this video. In the comments below, do you have any tips for packing for day trips? Packing food, packing anything that you pack for day trips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all next time.